All right. What's up? What's going on? Bowser, Marco, Tamimi, Riza Banks. Good morning. Mario, hashtag no thesis. Full port thesis. Zabak, what's going on? Yeah, the market's been fucking with everybody, especially me. Another casualty on the prop firm streets. It's just an eval. It's okay. I didn't fucking nuke. I haven't touched any of my funded accounts. What's crazy is this account was up like $300, and then, of course, I get caught in some fucking bullshit dump right here for $750. Awesome. It happened so fast too. That's what she said. But whatever. I really don't fucking care. Honestly, what I'm trying to see is if it's going to take me more than $405 worth of evals to get another funded account with my funded futures, or I should have just fucking bought the fucking reset. That's what I'm trying to see, because now they offer resets for funded accounts. So far I am on, I guess you could say this is 2 since my last blown account, or you could say, yeah, let's say it's 2. Right, I blew it right here, right here. So 28 minutes ago, Nagaraj. What up, John Walkowiak? Serious trader, what's good? I'm late. I'm sorry. I was fucking. You know what I was trying to do for like the last 10 minutes? I was trying to figure out how to also stream on Instagram, even though I only have like 60 followers. Maybe I'd get picked up. Maybe other people would just find it. I don't know how it works on Instagram. Like they're in the Discover shit. What up, HR? What up, Holy Grail? Yeah, the market's been fucking dog shit. It's fucking messy on these prop firm streets. Florencia, I wanted, maybe I would get like the same type of, maybe it goes viral like Shannon Sharp, something like that. But I couldn't figure it out. There was some shit with like a key, a streaming key. I couldn't get it. I don't know if my account has enough followers for that. That might be the issue. Why don't I trade the first 2 hours of New York Open? Because I live on the West Coast in Nevada. I'm not waking up. First of all, a lot of times I get on the stream, I get off of the stream and it's 4 o'clock in the morning, my time. I'm not, I need to get some sleep. And I don't like the way that shit moves around, to be honest with you. I'd rather not wake up. How am I liking Take Profit Trader, Mario? I love it. I've always liked Take Profit Trader. What up, K9? Moose, what up? Yeah, I don't like New York, and I don't like the Open for New York. It's just too fucking nutty for me. And it doesn't, even with that said, like, that's the New York Open is 6:30 in the morning for me. And well, hopefully this changes on after September 18th. My son takes his road test. If I'm getting off a stream at, like right now it's 1:30 my time. If I'm getting on a stream, even if I get on a little earlier, let's say I get on at 11:30 my time and I get off at 2:30. I don't want to sleep for 4 hours and then wake up to fucking trade the New York Open. Fuck that. I do want to get up to trade like the 10 o'clock, like the 11 o'clock hour. I feel like I miss a lot during that hour. What up, Curtis? 2 more days for a My Fund the Future payout using the best code. Thank you. It is the best code ever. I love Take Profit Trader. You know why I like Take Profit Trader? Because look at this. You can literally get paid after day 1 as long as you go over these buffers, and you can take money out every single day. That's why I like Take Profit Trader. No waiting, unless it's the weekend, obviously. I can pick like a pimple on the back of my head. I'm bleeding. You know, there's really no rules. The only thing they don't want you doing is trading FOMC, CPI, and non-farmer payroll. And if you trade crude oil inventory, they don't want you trading crude inventories if you're trading crude oil. And if you're trading like bonds or some shit, I don't know, 30-year notes or any of that weird shit, don't do it on bond auctions. What's up, Jen Marco? Yeah, my fund of futures does accept my code for resets. But right now, resets, if you're talking about funded resets, absolutely. Anything you could use my code for anything you do in my fund of futures. If you're about to buy something from them, throw my code in and you'll save some money, anywhere from 5% and up. It's 10% on funded account resets. It's 5% on if you already have an account. It's 5% on any new eval. It's 5% on resets. If you don't have an account with my fund of futures yet and you want to get one, you can save 40% on starter accounts right now. And those funded resets are only available for starter accounts, as far as I know, or at least the promotion is good for that. What up, Brandon? Let's go, Brandon. Awesome trader guy. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I really do. It's the only account I've traded so far today. I haven't touched my, like, I'm being very selective with what I do with my Take Profit Trader funded account now that I have one again. Yeah, sure. I could have taken advantage of this right here. I could have taken advantage of this right here. I just don't fucking trust the overnight. Look what just happened to me. Look what I just did. Yeah, sure. Was I in a little too heavy? Of course. I mean, it's an eval. Trying to fucking pump that shit and get it passed and over with. On the other hand, with a funded Take Profit Trader account, I literally only took one trade yesterday and made $100. I'm obviously not going to always do that. I'll try to get more, but that's just what happened. Then I have my Apex accounts. These are all my funded accounts. Not trying to fuck these up. They're in this weird shit. So yeah, Nagaraj. I mean, there was just some movement for like the last fucking hour and a half. It wasn't bad. But yeah, it dies out and then it picks back up as we get closer to the open. But the other issue is there's no red folder events today. That's the other thing. What up, Tony Gold? You just reset a past eval, but was started as a new account. I don't know what that means. It's something. They just started doing that. It should be a new. You reset. So you had a funded account that you blew, and then you reset that. How much did you pay? Yeah. Yup, Curtis, man. Curtis, bro. That's like gotta hold. I'm not telling you gotta hold. Like it's just how many times have I said, man, if all I had to do was just hold that fucking shit right there and I'd be done for the day. I've said that so many times with funded accounts. Just fucking hold. Right? It sounds so easy. But man, when you fucking trying to hold and it fucking completely goes the opposite way on you and you get stopped out for a loss when you were up $150 or $200 and you could have just locked in gains. That's why people like me and you don't hold because we have fucking PTSD. So we'd rather take the baby gains and always tell me, Curtis, how many times have you fucking locked in gains, even if it was what you thought a great trade, and then it fucking pumps right after that. Or if you're in short, keeps going down after you get out, or if you're long, keeps going up. However, if you don't hold, if you would have just tried to hold that position, how many times have you fuck it, I'm gonna hold, I'm holding, and then it goes completely against you and you get stopped out or worse. I can't I lost count how many times it happened to me. That's why I lock in gains. But whatever. 220 minus my code. What did you buy? What did you get? Sounds like what is that, like a 150K expert account? It sounds like you paid for an expert account, Florencia. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I'm sure it happens to a lot of people. It's definitely a muscle, but how many times when I say I'm going to hold and I get fucked? How many times? How many times? How many mics? It's so annoying though. It is annoying. What up, JJ? Yeah. Scalpers, scalpers wet dream. 150K regular account. So an expert or a starter? I'm trying to think. I'm looking right now. Let me go to my funded futures. My funded futures. Let me go to the home page. There we go. Oh yeah, 220, 220. 220 times 0.05. You probably saved that. So you saved like $11. I don't know if it was a fund. If you were trying to reset a funded account, I would hit up support and find out what happened. Um, but if you were just resetting, a regular, just a blown eval, you said it was a past eval. So yeah, I'm a little confused. Yeah, the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Just say it with me. You know what I want to see? I want to fucking figure out how to get less delay. There's something about latency with the settings. I don't know how to do it though. I gotta watch a video, and I want to do it while I'm streaming, obviously. But I will put my thumbnail in here. And now we're just chop. Like now, look at this chop. This is all just fucking chop. And then we have this like random drop, and then it comes right back up. And then we're gonna chop some more probably until it does a random drop again or a random pop, comes back, and then we chop again. That's what you can expect a lot during the overnight. At this point, at this time. Oh, I have no tags on this fucking thing? Damn, fucking amateur. I'm looking for some tags to copy and paste. There we go. All right, let's see. We're just literally just riding along the VWAP, just cruising along on the VWAP. We rejected. I mean, this was a decent dump. I mean, look at this. At 12:30, we dropped from 76. It took a little while. We dropped from 70. We dropped about 50 points, and then we came up about 25. We came up about half of that, and now we've just been doing this chop shit. All right, let's see. Customization. Let's see if I could go to latency. I don't even know. I don't even know where to set. I don't even know where to fucking do this. That ain't it. Yeah, I don't know where to change the settings. Maybe I should change my category to how to and style. What do you guys think? Entertainment or how to and style? Or comedy? Oh shit. Yeah, I don't know where to change this shit. I'm kind of frustrated about that. There's a way to fucking reduce the amount of delay that's on your video, and I don't know how to do it. Anyway, fuck all that shit. What up, Kiwi? Rob Moores. The VWAP. Right now, it's, I got, well, I nuked another My Fund the Futures eval, but I got this other one up 1100. I want to take this and fucking pass it today, if I can. Yeah, comedy. 26. Yeah, I know, man. It keeps getting worse. Valencia, I appreciate the support. Thank you so much. You passed it yesterday. So you passed it. You passed it during Thursday's session, Florencia. So you'll get that email from them at like, I don't know, like sometime between like 6 and 9 a.m. Eastern. They take a while. I literally believe that they say they have to review it. I believe that someone is actually reviewing it, like a real person. You'll get it sometime tomorrow. Well, sometime later today, because it is tomorrow. It already is Friday. But yeah, HR, this delay is brutal. I really want to figure out how to make it less brutal, and I don't know how, because it wasn't always as bad. Maybe I'll hit up tomorrow, like before I hop on, I'll hit up Restream support and ask them how I could minimize the delay. There's something to do with latency settings, and I have no idea where the fuck that is. I gotta watch videos. So I don't know. Do I also trade? What up, serious trader? I used to trade options. That's how I got the name ZERODAYJay from being a fucking degenerate options trader trading zero DTE fucking options. On the stream link, yeah, where is that? Go to YouTube Studio from the right, on the top right, click create and then go live. Enter your stream details. I'm already, but I don't know. Yeah, but how does that help me if I'm setting up the stream from if I'm setting up the stream from? I want it to be like a default setting. Go live. Stream settings. Oh, here we go. Oh, I just go to the analytics. Oh, never mind. I just go to my analytics page, my live analytics. All right, stream latency. Here it is. Oh, it's not. It's not letting me. It doesn't let me change it because I'm already streaming. That's bullshit. See, oh. I set it up through Restream. I don't know if I could do that. I don't know if I see it though. I'm looking right at it. I'm glad you helped me find it, but I can't. I can't change it. You know what I'm saying? I can't edit it right now. All I could do is just look at it. Like, watch. It's not even. I'll show you. I'll take a screenshot and send it to myself. I'll put it on the. I'll send it. I'll text it to myself. Watch this. What's up, Arnie? Here's my fucking email. There you go. All right. Check this shit. A nice little pop there. Damn. 20 points. It took 10 minutes to fucking finally do it. I would have loved 20 points. All right. Check this shit. You see how it's they're not selectable. I couldn't change it if I wanted to. So I got to figure out how to do it before I get on the stream. And I set the stream up. I do it through here, through Restream. So I don't know. Maybe I could do, maybe I have to do it right before. You know what I'm thinking? Because I don't go live right away. If I schedule it, I wonder if I schedule it. No, I haven't. Why do keep people asking me? What up, Mr. Singh? You're like the third or fourth person that asked me if I'm not trading my Take Profit Trader account. I keep trading it. I have a funded account. I got a funded account the other day. It's right here. I got a pro account. I just only traded it a little bit yesterday because I wasn't trying to do anything stupid because, it was during stupid time. What up, Jamila? Jamila. Nice job, trader guy. Yeah, 30 days. Did you have? Yeah. Yes, John. It's a subscription just like all the other prop firms. What's up, Voltarin? Kenny, what's good? Yeah. Oh my God, I know. Crazy. Crazy with the gold. Gold is pumping. My laptop is working fucking overtime. You hear that shit? Can you hear the fan? It's fucking. Why is the maps open? What else can I close? I don't need Brave. Yo, what's up with that? Oh no, yeah, force quit that shit. Fuck out of here. There we go. You're doing an injustice to your system. You think you're better off selling it as a service? Yeah, me too. Yeah, Mr. Singh. I mean, the 20 points. It depends on what I was. It depends on what my size was. Florencia. If I was in, holy shit, man. Now I'm getting FOMO. It was just a matter of time whether it was going to either break through, and go over the VWAP or reject and go down, and it went up from 37 to 67, 30 fucking points. So basically, Florencia, I trade minis, NQ minis. So one NQ mini is 20 bucks. 1 point. I'm sorry, 1 point on it's $5 a tick. So I probably would have taken. I would have tried to have gotten in 2 or 3 because I can with my funded futures. The max is 3 on a 50K starter. I'm trying to pass this thing, so it's a little different. Plus the profit goal, the profit target is only 3,000. The bigger size accounts, you got to trade more. You got to take multiple shots. We just bounced over midnight and open price. Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, we were just chopping away, chopping around. I mean, it kind of looks like we're double bottoming here. I mean, shit, if this is an actual double bottom on the 15, I mean, let's see, 434 to 469. I mean, we could go up another 30 something points to, 500s. Right now, we're stuck at the upper the VWAP band. Ethernet will help as well for the latency. You think so? That was never an issue. I've never had an issue with that. All of a sudden, like the last couple of weeks, like it's My internet connection is pretty good. Let's see. At least it was. Maybe it's not right now. You know how I know it's good though? Because you guys aren't complaining that it's blurry. What? Actually, that is kind of shitty. What the fuck? What am I connected to? Oh, I'm on the slow one. Hold on a second. Let's do this again, shall we? I was on a slower. I was connected to the slower internet. Two different like networks here. Two different Wi-Fi's. It's still kind of slow. That's slow. It should be a lot more. Oh my god, uploads. Look at that upload speed. I'm uploading, right? Aren't I uploading right now? That's pretty fast. I'm paying for up to 500 megabits per second. But even my stream delay used to be only like 10 to 15 seconds. Now it's like half a minute. It's fucking annoying me. It's really grinding my gears. I need to get like an adapter when I'm in here. Anyway, let's see what the fuck's going on with this fucking market. What's the scaling rule? Right here. This is this for an expert account? I don't even know. New starter account revamp. So for starter accounts, I don't even see I don't even see a benefit to the expert account other than you don't have a fucking daily loss limit. Scaling plan. This is for starter accounts. Once you're funded. Once you're funded, anything below 1,000, you can only trade 1 mini or 10 micros on a 50, 2 minis and 20 micros on a 100, two minis and 20 micros on a 150. Then it goes up to 2 and 3, depending on where you're at. I hope you guys can see this, so I don't have to read it. But there it is right there. You know what I'll do? I'll drop the link in the chat. You think it's the YouTube AI censorship? Am I being censored? What up, chill out? It's Nahil. What up, boy? Yeah, I'll get closer with Ethernet, but like I don't know, it just never was as bad, and nothing's changed with my internet. So it's kind of annoying. But I'll get it. I meant to get an adapter. I meant to get an adapter at Target. There's a Target like right across the street from me. Like outside of when I pull out of my neighborhood, it's on the other side of the busy road. So I do want to get that. But I can't connect to the Ethernet when I'm streaming in the kitchen. And I like to hang out in the kitchen when I'm streaming during the day. They listen. So if I say something, what about YouTube? About how their CEO died suddenly. Wink, wink. I thought all the elites get fucking placebos. They just get saline. Anyway, Yeah, I mean, Mr. Singh, I'm definitely looking forward to getting a payout from Take Profit Trader. You still here? Yeah, 100%. I'm completely looking forward to getting a payout. What are we doing here? We're gonna dump? We bouncing off the VWAP? What are we doing? Are we making a little head and shoulders here? Head, shoulder, maybe. I don't fucking know. But this delay is brutal. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, what do you like? What, just want to challenge yourself? I think you could take out more money though. That might be that might be the benefit also. I don't really know the payout structure on an expert at all. It's like it's hidden. Nobody knows unless the people that are actually trading. But the starter, all the payout structure, all that shit for starter is like easy to find. It's interesting. Oh boy, I don't get anything for resets, but it's fine, man. I appreciate the support. I really do. If it makes more sense for you to reset the account, then just reset it. Don't worry about me. You know what I mean? Um, it depends on the size of the account, right? So right now you could do 30. Right now Apex is running. The habitual sale extenders that they are. Of course, true to form, they extended their sale, so you could get 80% off any size eval, $85 lifetime activation fee for any size account that you pass, and you're, you know, going, upgrading them to funded accounts. $35 resets, 1 day to pass, of course. If it makes more sense to reset the bigger accounts, depending on how close you are to your subscription renewing. So the 150, 250, and 300 with a coupon code of $50, right? But if you have some nuked ones sitting in your dashboard, it's only $35 for the reset. So it's cheaper to reset those. So I would advise you. Like I said, I really appreciate you wanting to use my coupon code and support the channel, which is great. And of course, it's the best coupon code in the world. We all know that, right? But if it's a bigger account like the 150, 250, and 300, and you have time between now and when the subscription is going to renew, because in 30 days the subscription renews, it makes more sense to reset those bigger accounts. It's cheaper, so just do that. On any other size, go ahead and you know get a new one. Is this what we're doing here? Awesome. This shit just The thing that sucks about like the overnight is like these moves that are happening, they're taking a while before anything happens. During New York when there's volume, it happens in like 1/10 the amount of time, or like 1/50 amount of time. 50K is a little cheaper if you go new. It's like $33, $33.40 for a 50K. So you could save $1.60. And you know what? Everything counts. I learned that from Brian Tracy, but it's also common sense. Everything counts, even if it's $1.60. Especially when you're anything like me and you kind of go through a lot of accounts. You know, 10 accounts later, you're at $16 that you saved by just getting new ones for that. The reset only makes sense right now. The $35 reset is only cheaper for the bigger accounts. Look at the wicks on the 1 hour. I'm scared to. Which one do I recommend, Apex or My Funded Futures? I'm planning to buy one, but I'm pretty confused right now. I like My Funded Futures more. Man, get them. You're asking the wrong person because I'm going to tell you to get both. You know what I mean? Like for different reasons. Apex is good. Apex has had their issues in the recent months, but every time I got approved for a payout, I got the money. I only got denied one payout request, and it was because I habitually violated their DCA rule. And that's when, right at the same time, it just so happened to be when they decided they wanted to enforce their rules again. Yeah, we hit the fucking. I'm looking at the hourly right now, Jen Marco. We wicked up to the previous day's high here and almost here. But I mean, it also looks like we're bull flagging like a mofo. Look at this gigantic. Is the flagpole? You got your flag. I mean, we could go up. You know, we could go up another 50, 60, 100 points if we break. Right now, we're just chopping around in this fucking range right here. You know, if I look at the 4 hour, this is what the 4 hour looks like. Yeah, it's a little cheaper, oh boy. The 50K, you say you'll get it. It's $1.60 less to get a brand new one. Just remember to cancel your subscriptions in there. You know, don't. It happens to me a lot. Like I forget to cancel a subscription and then I get pinged for a bunch of rebills. So just remember to cancel subscriptions on the ones you just don't want to renew. Chill out. What up? Oh, I never posted the link in fucking Discord. The DCA gang is gonna kill me. There goes my laptop working fucking overtime again. Kenny, what the fuck is this? T-Non? How does it go from $4 to $111? You think it's gonna go all the way back to 4? That's funny. Sorry, I'm posting the link in the ladies' room. Anyway. Yeah, we're just chopping around. This is the 4 hour chart. Just chopping around. Oh, I forgot to get the link for the no thesis. What about the million tick chart? Ticks. I can't even look at this fucking chart unless I upgrade. I pay enough money to fucking TradingView every year. Jesus. Well, I ain't looking at that shit. Like I fucking spend like hundreds of dollars a year to have the account that I have, and then they're trying to get me to spend more money. And I pay for data. the real-time data for fucking the CME data. Like, I ain't fucking upgrading. Fuck out of here. Oh, here we go. Damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. What the fuck happened to you? Damn, this fucking. Are we gonna reject here? Pretty much got equal highs here. You got the previous day high right here, but I mean, I could be wrong, but I do see some sort of double bottom. Not really. I'm just trying to see something to fit my bias. But I missed an opportunity here. I just don't trust it sometimes. Like, look, it looked like it was gonna blow through the VWAP, and then it bounced right. It just about faced and changed direction, and just decided to bounce right off of that shit. The VWAP. I'm really annoyed about this latency shit, though. It's grinding my gears. Enable DVR, enable auto stop, enable auto start. I'm trying to see. Stream health is excellent. I'm trying to see. You think we're going back, Dilzik? You think we're going back to the VWAP? Oh, I know what I have to do. I keep forgetting to fucking my funded futures scaling. Here's the page that has all the information about the starter account. I'm going to post it in the chat. My bad. Get a 100-meter long Ethernet cable. My HR. My wife would love that. There is an Ethernet port in there, but it's not. There's not an Ethernet port coming out of the. I sit at the big island in the kitchen. I like being in the middle of all the action. And then, like, my kids are doing their schoolwork because my kids homeschool. They're doing their schoolwork in the schoolroom, which I've hung out in before. And right now, I'm in like the furthest to the front of the house. I'm right next to the garage because it's the quietest spot, and I could, talk at my usual volume in here. So I do have an Ethernet port in here. So I will get an adapter. I will get an adapter. I need an adapter because I don't have an Ethernet port in this laptop. I have to fucking like do whatever. USB-C or some shit. I don't know, whatever. What up, Bob Means? What time does the movement pick up? Yeah, sometimes it's like watching paint dry. And like you'll do this, like you'll get this little pop here, and then it'll go back to doing this shit for fucking 5-10 minutes, and then it'll do it again, up or down. Like, you see what we did here? Look at this, Bob. Fucking nothing. I mean, there's a decent range here. I don't know. It'll pick up probably as we get closer to the Open, the New York Open. Oh yeah, it could be. I mean, excuse me. There was a stretch when the overnight was kind of moving like almost like as good as New York. Yeah, that's what I need. HR USB-C to Ethernet. I hope Target has it. Otherwise, I'll just order it on Amazon. Just shorted at 64.75. I mean, you might get that double top. Maybe. Who the fuck knows, right? Oh, that was your chance to get locking some games. Is it going to get under the 9? JB's long 432s. So JJ and JB. I mean, JB, you're up a bunch, aren't you? Did you lock in any gains? JB and JJ are going to duke it out here. Nice, Jen. Jen, you hanging out in the ladies' room? I hope you. I mean, I don't know if you're big into the Discord stuff, but I hope. I hope you hang out in there with the ladies. The wedge on the 1,000 tick chart told you to take a shot at the short. Can I do? Let's see. Let's see what the 1,000. It looks just like the fucking 1 minute chart. It's the same, bro. Just about. Nice, JB. Yeah, 480s. I mean, that's where you got four. What is this? 484, 483. That's the previous day's high. It still feels like we're gonna fucking pump, though, man. I don't know. Like it looks like. All right. So this is my thoughts on the whole. I mean, this is what I think is gonna happen, which is take it all with a grain of salt. We're both lagging right now, right? But like if you look, we pumped. I mean, this was nuts. This was CPI. CPI pumped like 700 fucking points, and then this was PPI. We pumped again. I mean, that's a bull flag, and then we might get another one, or because we're up so fucking much since Wednesday, maybe we just start pulling back on Friday. You know, during New York, we just start coming back the other way. Maybe come to the previous day's low, which is down here at 19,185. Or we just have a magnet. I mean, who knows? Maybe we have a magnet to 20,000 again. I don't know. Yeah, JB thinks 694. That's what I'm saying. Like, you know, you have to go way back to like 2 months ago to fucking whenever we hit that all time high. All right, here we go. 680s right here. This was what was that? Oh, that wasn't that long ago. September 2nd. We were at 19,683. A couple of times too, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I might draw a little line here and then forget what I drew the line about. You ever do that? Put a fucking horizontal line on the chart and you don't remember why. I just like this area right here. I don't know. I just see some wicks and shit, tops of candles. Could be a good spot for resistance if we get up that far. We're in big trouble. I just feel like we're in trouble no matter what. At the end of the day, we the people always end up getting fucked. So I don't expect it to be any different. It'll be decent for a little while, but you know what'll be happening? Like, let's say, first of all, I also feel like all that shit is pre fucking determined. But let's just say, you know, Orange Man Bad wins. Let's say he wins, right? They'll just they'll just fucking try to make it miserable for him, like they did the first time around. You know, do all the fucking rioting and looting and fucking, you know, and fucking COVID, all that shit. Like they'll do anything they can to just make to make it hard for him to fucking, you know, make America great again. You know what I mean? They don't want America. The commies want America to be a fucking shithole, and they want us to fucking live, you know, beg them to fucking beg them to help us. Anything commies do goes to shit. But anyway, I don't want to talk about that because I don't want to get censored. My latency might get affected, you know, but we're always going to get fucked. You know, we've been a socialist country since they instituted fucking social security, right? It's socialist security. They're taking money from us to pay people in the future. You know, it's all fucking bullshit. Everything is fucking bullshit. Everything we think we know is all bullshit. We think we know what we know. We don't know shit. We don't know what we don't know. And everything we've been told is a fucking lie our entire life. So you know what you do? You just get some more fucking evals using coupon code ZERODAYJay, and everything will be fine. Just put your head in the sand. What up, Ron? I can guarantee you one thing, we're all gonna fucking die. Damn, JJ, this market's being stubborn for you. You might get it though. I mean, right here, maybe get a little drop here. I don't know how many points you're looking for. Comrade Harris. It's funny, they say Putin endorsed her. You know why? Because it'll make it easier for him to fucking shit on us. MAGA traders. Man, I'll tell you, if you guys like reading books, Art of the Deal was a great fucking book. I love reading books about, I mean, I used to read a lot. Maybe that's why I curse so much now, because I haven't been reading as much or at all. But I read a lot of books like, you know, success principles and mindset and just, you know, stories. Art of the Deal was, I couldn't put that book down. And this was before, like, you know, I just wanted to read the book because I heard it was fucking amazing. Had nothing to do with politics. You know what another good book is? Even though they fucking, you know, exploit fucking miners in China, you know, for slave labor, the fucking Nike book, Shoe Dog. Shoe Dog was awesome. That was a great book too. Looking for the VWAP, Canine Trader. Yes, sir. Money promoter, comrade. Do your eval, started a new one, taking small steps, was up 900 and wanted to get the 1 day pass, got the 1 day. Oh, man. Yeah, I lost count how many times that happens. At JB, I read a fuck ton of books. As I cuss like a sailor, I read a lot of books. You know what my favorite book of all time is? One of my favorite books. It's from a guy named, I don't know if you ever heard of Napoleon Hill. He wrote the book Think and Grow Rich. He also wrote another book that never got released until long after he died called Outwitting the Devil. Great fucking book. Outwitting the Devil is, if you want to, you know, take shit to the next level in your life, you know, no fucking rah-rah stuff, but just in general, read that book or listen to the audio book. It's so fucking spot on, and it was written a long fucking time ago. Great fucking book. Did I drop the fucking, hold on, did I drop the fucking, I did. There. Is Mr. Singh still in here? Mr. Singh. I dropped the My Funded Futures starter, all everything about the starter plans in the chat. I hope you saw it, my friend. Yeah, Ron. Yeah, this isn't the best environment, you know, to trade in. Because, like, you know, look at all this bullshit, and then all of a sudden it'll fucking pop 10 points, and then it'll come back, and all of a sudden it'll drop 10 points. It's very unpredictable. But if you look like on a bigger, like I'm on the minute chart, if you look at the bigger time frame, maybe it's showing a little bit more. It's not though. Look what it's doing. But yeah, I mean, here we are. Maybe we are getting the double bottom here. If we could break, why am I so fucking stuffy? Anyway, if we could break 475, 476, we're gonna go up another 30 points. That's what I think is going to happen. Zach, what up? Yo, you read that book? Or you already bought it? It's all about drifting. So the devil makes you drift. The devil, man, is so fucking true. Holy grail, yeah. What up, Trading Star? Matt, you got your withdrawal from My Fund of Futures within hours to blow the account today. Who cares? You got paid, bro. Just do it again. You got paid. So you got some of your tuition back, or maybe more than your tuition back. Yesterday, I passed 150K expert in 30 minutes, and you blew it in the next 15 minutes. The same account, or like you upgraded it and then fucking. Oh yeah, because you get like the instant upgrade. What are you trading it through DX? I think with DX feed it, you get the instant upgrade. They want you to fucking nuke that shit as soon as possible. Because if you go on a heater, oh yeah, so JB, great fucking book. Tell me that wasn't a fucking great book. Do it again, Dilzik. Yeah, that's right. Tell him. A plus trader. What up? What up? Oh my god, that's rough, man. Nagaraj. It's crazy. It's crazy because you go on a fucking heater, right? If you're like on this heater and you're on a winning streak, right? You just keep nothing could go wrong. All of a sudden, it could go the other way for you, and nothing you do goes right. And a lot of times, the timing on that shit is fucking like when it's a funded account. Matt, I would stay on the starters. The starter account, I don't know. The expert account doesn't really. I went. I don't see any clear advantage to it. I really don't. If it maybe get a bigger size account, I don't know. The expert account, I don't really know. I don't really know how they pay the payout policy is on the expert accounts. There's no real. I don't really see much documentation on it. What up, Rich? Yeah, yesterday. Yeah, yeah, that shit happens. Yup. It seems like every day is like very tough price action, especially the last couple of weeks. The 100K starter. Yeah, I mean, shit. Like, I just, I don't really see a clear advantage to getting the expert account. You have to go up more. Let's look at the 100K. The profit target is $2,000 more. Sure, you can trade more contracts. There's no daily loss limit, but who cares? You don't lose the account if you hit the daily loss limit with My Funded Futures. You don't lose it. It's a soft breach like Top Step was. The trailing max drawdown is less. There's no benefit. What's the benefit? Bragging rights? All right. There's no scaling rule. The reset fee is even more. Well, because it's more money, but no scaling, no activation fees. We already know. We already have no. There's no activation fee on both sides. Weekly payouts possible. No consistency rules for both challenge and sim funded accounts. There's a consistency rule. There's no consistency rule for a challenge, but there's no consistency rule. There's a 40% consistency rule on starter accounts. Like, I just don't pay out every 14 calendar days. Extract max daily drawdown on 50K account. Extra max daily drawdown on 50K. I don't see the benefit, honestly. 24/7 customer support. Whoop de fucking do. Whoop de fucking do. I don't know. I don't see a clear benefit. The trailing max drawdown is less, and the profit target's higher. Uh, that's enough for me to say I'd rather do the starter account. And fuck this coupon code. You see this bullshit? Don't use that. You don't have to use my coupon code, ZERODAYJAY, even though it's the best coupon code in the world. But don't use the default ones that the site puts on their site. It's like, support your favorite YouTuber or streamer or one of your friends or some shit. But yeah. Yeah, no scaling and no consistency. That's not that. I don't know. I don't see that as a huge advantage. Maybe because I'm used to the consistency rule with Apex. I'm so used to. What up? What up, FOMO? Trading on tilts in the building. That's what I'm hearing, Dildzik. Alfred posted it in the Discord, and then someone was saying that it was fake news. But then I was like, what? But Alfred said, yeah. I mean, that's fucking real. I believe Alfred. Alfred's the fucking man. What are we doing? All right, enough of this shit. I don't know. That's a personal preference. I don't see the benefit, and it's more money too. I just don't see the benefit. There's those benefits are kind of minimal to me. Yeah, to me, I get it, but I don't know. It doesn't really do anything for me. I don't feel it in my loins. I don't feel like, oh man, I really want to get an expert account because of that. But that's just me. I'm so used to Apex's 30% consistency rule. Is there any minimum? Is there any minimum to Mimi? Is there any minimum amount of days you have to trade before you can get a payout? No cap. Ah, there it is. That's the one thing. That might be it. How much do you have to go up? Fuck, I gotta open this again. I want to see this. I just want to see. Like, you have to get to 4,000 on a 50K. That's nuts. You need to get to 12,000 on a 150K. I don't know. I'm fucking with the starters. No minimum trading days. STC, what up? But like, what? I don't even. It doesn't even really say what you have to get paid on a fucking scaling. Expert rules. Mm, I guess this is it right here. You have to get to 2,000 withdrawal thresholds. 100K, 3,000, 150K, 4,500. Just like Take Profit Trader, it seems like. You have to go over that, or you just hit that and then you request money. Pump incoming, I'm missing it. Yeah, trying to figure out some shit on my funded futures, Florencia. Yeah, I saw that to Mimi. I saw that about the first 10K. STC, yes. So what you're saying is expert is not a good option for me. I'm not an expert yet. I got a ways to go before I'm an expert. I don't know if I'm at 10,000 hours of fucking with the NQ. Today is opposite day. Once you hit the threshold, you're eligible for a payout. How much could you take out on a 50K once you hit that 2,000? All 2,000, or how does that work? NQ going back to 10K is happening right now. Funny shit. There it is. I'm in the wrong account. I can't even trade this account. Fake pump. Fake pump. Of course I get filled there. Is this going to be when it dumps 40 points because I got in long? The drawdown is the buffer zone. Yeah. You could do the same thing with take profit trader. You could fucking just don't hit 10,000 in profit. Yeah. I'm not ready for that yet. I'm not ready for that. I want to take the path of least resistance. Come on, baby. Give it to me, daddy. Yeah, STC, that does suck. But you know what? Well, how bad did it suck though? Like what day were you on? If you were close to a payout, man, that really sucks because I've been there. I had an account. I had an account locked for 2 grand, and I found a way to fucking nuke it. It was awesome. Locked for 2 grand coming up on the 15th. Oh shit! Oh shit! Keep going, you fuck! Come on, man! I didn't even have a chance. Come on, man! You serious? Watch me get stopped out right here. Ha! I don't even get a chance to fucking get. That's bullshit. Can we get back up to that wick? Oh my god. Such fucking bullshit. Uh-oh. I'll be right back. I hear a dog. I might have to let a dog out. Oh, wait. Hey. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Look, I fucking. Am I gonna get stopped out? What fucking bullshit is that? This price action is fucking garbage. I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh, I have an order for one here? I didn't even see that. Price action is whack. It's wickety whack, like Chris Cross would say. Maybe I should just take my 40 bucks and be happy. Well, fuck my 40 bucks. Maybe I should take $10 and be happy. Yeah, I didn't even realize that, Dilzik. Yeah, I mean, the secret to take profit traders daily loss limit is to not hit it. Easier said than done. I hear another dog now. It's probably Harvey. Nagaraj. That's not that bad. 21. I blew more Apex accounts than that. But yeah, I mean, dude, like I never like that's the thing. You know what I mean? Like people can think what they want about my trading. Like I never professed to be this great trader. I'm a trader that's working on getting better every day. That's all I can do is, you know, it's the ones that come in here and start talking shit, saying how bad it is. It's like, all right, well, fuck you then. I mean, good, okay, great. You're the best fucking trader. What do you want, a fucking pat on the back? I haven't really counted that all that much lately. Kind of flushed out a lot of those type of people, but it happens. You can't make everybody happy. Not everybody, for the most part, everybody that hangs out on my streams is everybody's super chill. But every once in a while, there'll be some fucking jerk off that comes on, and you know, I don't like taking this shit. I'll take that. Oh my god, keep going. I wish I was in 3. I wish I had more I wish I had more minis. I'll take it. Oh my god, keep going. Keep going. Pump it. Are we gonna go all the way up to 88? I'll take this. It's gonna go boom. Take me out. There it is. That works. Yeah, I heard. Yeah, he's on the fast track. Perfect timing too, because they're getting all this great publicity. Hey man, why not? I could see it makes sense for a guy like him. He could fucking just. I mean, he's gonna have to adjust how he trades there though, because they have that 20% consistency rule. He can't be taking massive shots like he likes to. What up, Harvey? We got Harvey and Penelope in here now. Harvey's super chill when he's fucking not all wound up. All right, I gotta close my door. I'll be right back. I gotta close the door again. You know, look at the look at my dogs. There they are. Oh, look at that shit going up. Hey. Oh. Yeah, you know how many people are gonna fucking get accounts with his coupon code? I can tell you one thing, my coupon code is the best. But I don't have one for Fast Track. I don't fuck with Fast Track. Yeah, a Bolinox give you get 40% with Bolinox. What up, Gizno? Yeah, I mean, I agree with you. I tend to agree with you on that. We got, well, this is the high right here. Is that the high a day? 88.50 is the high a day, right? And you got the previous day's high right here at like 83, 84. So yeah, I can see that. But look, and we got this. What's interesting is you got this double bottom kind of looks like a double bottom here. And what did we do? We got right up to the top, and but we didn't keep going. That's interesting. Maybe we will on the next candle. I hope Patrick saved his fucking Tron coin. Patrick's about to give his life Tron savings to fucking Fast Track, or he did already. Well, Dilzik, you know what? This account is toast. I smoked one. Number 7 is gone, gone but not forgotten. And then number 8 is the opposite. They're literally almost identical. This one's up 1294. That one's down 1275. The S&P just swept a high, and NQ made lower high. Interesting. Jamila. You can always count on Jamila to laugh at my stupid jokes. I forget you're here, and then I see you come in laughing. I should just assume that you are here. Oh, guys, anyone who if you're not in the Discord, I highly encourage you to join our Discord. It's where the DCA gang hangs out. The Degen fam. It's a safe house for degenerate prop firm traders most of the time. I'd say 95% of the time. But it's right here. It's free to join. There's the link. Also, if you want to check out, if you haven't gotten an Apex account yet, feel free to click on the link in the description below or the link I'm about to drop in the chat to check them out. If you already have an account and you want to grab more accounts, you can always use coupon code ZERODAYJAY to get the best deal available. Right now, it's 80% off any size test account. They extended the sale, the habitual sale extenders that they are. It's extended until September 30th, 80% off, $35 resets, 1 day to pass, $85 lifetime activation fee for any size account. All when you put in coupon code ZERODAYJ. Take Profit Trader is 50% off with the best coupon code in the world and in ever. The best coupon code since NAM. Right there. And then My Funded Futures. If you don't have a My Funded Futures account and you want to check them out, you could get 40% off any starter account. Otherwise, if you already have an account, you know what it is. It's 5% off with a coupon code like ZERODAYJ. And you can use that coupon code for resets and all types of shit. Resets, eval resets, funded account resets, whatever. Expert accounts. Best coupon code since NAM for Apex Take Profit Trader. Also for Bolinox. If you guys into the Bolinox when they do 90% off, if you use coupon code ZERODAYJ, you'll get that 90% off. My Fund of Futures, and Bolonox is 0-day J. I haven't done that once. This is my first time. I'm a habitual link dropper in the chat, and that's my first time all night, I believe. So yeah, I mean, we had 77. Now we're back down to 66. We could bounce off here. This is the 34s right there. JJ said he hopes that's head. Oh, he hopes that's a head. That's a head. Oh, for like a head. Oh, because you're in short. That's right. You're in short right now still. What was your entry, bro? 63? Yeah, hey, you're not that far off, man. You're in it like 63 or 64. Holy grail. What the hell, man? Unbelievable. Were you not in? Were you? I thought you were in. Maybe you were in and then you left, not realizing it. Market doing Diddy squats. What up, Dan Emmons? Dan Emmons is in the building. Dan Emmons is like JJ. He trades a live account, but he hangs out and he trades NQ futures. So I mean, he's a degenerate. He hangs out. He hangs out. I mean, he fucks around with prop firm accounts, but he's a live trader. 63.75. Oh man, damn, bro, you almost had it. You got to be quicker than that. It's like that fucking was it a Geico commercial? The guy with the fucking fishing rod looks like Adam West, but it's not Adam West. Damn, that was a quick little fucking 12-point pop. Yeah, we're getting closer to the New York Open. Karato. The 40%, well, no, you can base it on that. You could say, wow, if the mat, that's what I do at Apex. Like I do it based on what the profit threshold is, the minimum threshold. And I say don't go over 30% of that number. But you just don't like any prop firm, all of them, when they have a consistency rule, it's just based on your overall profit. So if you go up 4 grand, you just can't just make sure, like let's say you end up hitting, look at this shit. Let's say you end up hitting 4 grand, right? Times 0.4. Just make sure you don't have a day that's more than 1600. Like you could have monster days if you want. Just make sure that when everything's all said and done, no one day is more than 40% of your total profit. So if you're looking for the 1200 payout, pretty sure you have to go up above 1200 to get 1200 in payouts. I'm not 100% sure. Look at this shit. JJ. Maybe you're going to get your little double top action here. This is an interesting fucking 2 candles right here. What's your target? What's your target? What's your profit target, JJ? Yeah, pretty much. Yep. Pretty much. That's what I like to do with like Apex. So like 50K is 2,600. So I just do the math. Like it just basically tells me don't go up more than $780 on any given day. But what happens if you do? It's not the end of the world. If you hit fucking, there it is, JJ. How much are you trying to grab on this? Like, let's say you have a $1,000 day in my funded futures, just because you just catch a move and it's just too good to fucking just fucking get out of. You just do the math. You divide by 0.40, and it's like, here's your new target. You just got to go up to 2,500 now. That's all. You need 1,300 buffer moves. See, Jamila knows. You know why Jamila knows? Because she got paid. What's up, Josh? My take profit trader, it's just chilling in the holding pattern. I got $100 yesterday, real quick, towards the end of the day. I'm not trading this shit. I'm not trading this fucking shit price action with this account. I'm protecting that account. I'm gonna treat it like it's a baby. They do, Matt. They didn't for they did run a promotion, Matt. Um, the VWAP. Oh, I see. You're gonna hold it to the VWAP. Um, they did have a promotion where there was no activation fee for like 2 months, but they've always had an activation fee, except for when they run a promotion where there is no activation fee. It's $130. Yeah, I haven't touched any of my funded accounts, Josh. I've just been trading these my funded futures evals. Fuck that. I haven't touched my Apex ones. Boeing workers vote to strike. Let's just hope none of them are whistleblowers, because they're all dead. They're all, you might as well consider them dead if they're going to be a whistleblower. Patrick will do wire transfer. I think he's probably just tired of hearing about it in the chat. And he's like, let me get in on this and get some money from them and then fucking call it a day. You know what the fucking joke is about them? They still don't accept credit cards. That's the biggest fucking joke. And I mean that with the utmost respect. In case there's a fucking little fucking, you know, fast track grouping here who likes to go and run and tell on me in the fast track fucking Discord. Be like, oh my God, ZERODAYJay said this. Let's all go in there like the angry mob. So, you know, all the shit I talk and all the fucking issues, you know, all the red flags I raised about them and all the jokes, me making fun of the Lifetron savings. At the end of the day, I want the prop firm to succeed because that means nobody's getting fucked. So, you know, even with all of the craziness that's been going on the last couple of days, I don't even want to talk about it. Let's just say I feel like they need somebody else to fucking step in and do the communication with the customers, because the guy that's doing it now is he's not acting like a CEO of a fucking company that's generating millions of fucking dollars. He's acting like one of the guys, and you can't really do that. You shouldn't. I mean, whatever. Do whatever the fuck you want, but keep putting your foot in your fucking mouth. Yo, Josh, yeah. Yeah. You might get this, JJ. Yup, I'm never gonna change. I'm not fucking changing. Let them all get fucking mad and cry and tell on me. I don't give a fuck. God, it's fucking. It's okay. The loyalty. I applaud the loyalty, but man, I'm not loyal to any fucking prop firm. That's why I don't keep all my eggs in one prop firm's basket. And they'll come in and be like, FTT is gonna change the game. Like, okay, man. It's okay. We get it. You like them. We get it. You gave them your Lifetron savings and your fucking Coles cash. Cool, man. Good luck with it. I hope you fucking get to a payout. Because at the end of the day, that's all I give a fuck about. Let's all get fucking paid. Yeah, so you got some, man. You got some. It bounced right off this 200 EMA. Right here. Like literally right off of it. Let's see what happens when it goes back up to the 9, JJ. It might reject off of that and come back down to your fucking take profit. Jamila. Oh my God, it's too easy. It's too fucking easy. Hell no. Yeah, no fucking loyalty in the prop firm streets, man. Like, I talk shit about Apex. I'd say that fucking Darrell is snorkeling in my pool in a Speedo, waiting for me to fucking violate the DCA rule so he could tackle me in his wet fucking Speedo and teabag me. Like, who says shit like that? I don't fucking care. And when they were fucking having all their issues, like I was very outspoken about all that shit. I still fucking have shit to say when when the situation comes, when the situation arises. But I still like Apex. It's the only prop firm I've actually gotten paid with so far. The only prop firm I've gotten a payout from. Why wouldn't I like them? But I'm working on getting more habitual payouts. Habitual payouts from Take Profit Trader. Habitual payouts from My Fund Futures. That's the goal. While I'm waiting for Apex, while I'm breathing and relaxing, waiting for them to approve my payout request, why not get paid every day with Take Profit Trader, or almost every day, or once or twice a week, or once a week even? I don't fucking care. I just want the habitual payouts to be coming from Take Profit Trader, My Fund Futures, Apex, all the prop firms I decide to add to the mix. I think I feel like I have my hands full right now with this, with these three. I'm good for now. Is JJ going to get saved by the 34s? The 34 EMA and SMA? It's looking like it, maybe, potentially. I'm getting fucking tired. I mean, we got this new hour fucking incoming. That's why it's starting to get a little nutty with the price action. A little more nutty than it's been. There's going to be some movement. But yeah, I'm fucking getting tired. What up, Cover? Tradeify is competing with Fast Track. Both have straight to funded, but it's only they actually accept credit cards. Yeah, I'm Bowser. Yeah, the only issue with Tradeify is as much as I like Brett, he has a little bit of a dodgy past. I don't know, I wouldn't go fucking balls deep buying evals from them. I think you could only have one account at a time anyway, but I don't know how it works. They're too new. They're way too fucking new. I know they gave Alpine said they gave him a couple of accounts to fuck with it, just to get a feel for it. I mean, if it's on Tradeovate, it's all the same shit. Oh, JJ, look at what's going on here. Oh man, new hour. You might get it just because it's a new hour. What do I think of the Top Step live streams? Um, I've been on a couple of them. I think they're cool. They're trying to be omnipresent. I like the hustle. Oh my God, JJ, it was right fucking there, dude. Oh, you got fucked. Maybe it'll come back down. Maybe you'll get it. Maybe it'll come back down. That's fucked up. Yeah, I mean they stream like all fucking day at this point. There's always someone fucking streaming from their channel. I don't know. Let me know when they have fucking cheap ass evals. I'll grab one or two. Some cheap ass combines. Can you use Tradeovate on Tradeify? I'm not sure. Yeah, see, Florencia, take proper. See, like I remember that, Florencia. I remember you were getting money. Oh, we have a bunch of people who got paid by Take Proper Trader, and they always get paid fucking fast. Jamil is one of them. Elisa Trades is another one. Adrian E, not to be confused with Easy E. Yeah, you got paid $7,000 last week. Money was in your account within 10 minutes. No fucking like, who's paying faster? Who's paying faster? I love that. Pound the confetti like roast beef for fucking Florencia. Damn, I love that. And great job, like, great job on the trading. Fuck. Obviously, you fucking were trading like a beast. Yeah, FTT taking too long to get Tradeovate. FTT taking too long to have a payment processor. They might not be able to get a merchant processor. Maybe that's the issue. This shit. This is normally where I would be like, I'm gonna go short, but I have a feeling it's gonna blow right through it. I don't know. I could be wrong. The 4 hour open, new 4 hour candle, huh? Cover the final six to break even. Too much buying in the ES still. Yeah, I mean, you got real fucking close though. Matt, 5 days would take Profit Trader. It's a 5 day minimum. There's a 50% consistency rule, which means, but you could get over on. It's like Top Step in that regard, in terms of they only have a consistency rule on test accounts. Here's all the info on it. But so what you do is you go over the you get over the threshold in 2 or 3 days if you want. You can take as long as you want too. You don't have to do it in 5 days. But you gotta do it in at least 2 days. So let's say you get a 150K account. You get a 150K to profit target to pass is 9,000. Just don't do more than 4,500 in any one day. And then you could get it done in 2 or 3 days, and then you flip micros the rest of the way. They don't have an issue with that. Yeah, just on evals, Matt. It's just like yeah, all good, Dildzik. Yeah. What up, Andy? Yeah, it's just the consistency rule is only on evals and only on test accounts, just like Top Step. Top Step has a 50% consistency rule on their combines. Yeah, I think so too, Josh. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see what I can do, man. I wanna get fucking paid. You can literally get paid every single day. You can have as many as 5 funded accounts. You could take profit out. Once you have a funded account, you could go over the buffer on day one and then request a payout. These are the buffers for all the different accounts. Using the best coupon code ever, ZERODAYJAY. Even if you already have an account, but it will get you 50% off. This is the pricing for all the different sizes with the 50% discount applied. I wouldn't even waste my time with the 25K. I would do at least a 50K. I actually I have so many rewards that I could get. I'm about to add a free 50K to my account. I have a free 50K. I have enough reward points to get a free 50K. I'm about to take advantage of that shit. Yeah, damn, JJ. I mean, it's definitely that was your chance to get out right here. Nice nondescript. Nice, 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 nice. Anyway, guys, my son's going to be waking me up at 5:55, so I want to try and get like an hour and a half of sleep before he does that. No, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. If I could get like 2 hours in, I haven't slept yet. I haven't taken a power nap or anything. So, Bowser, you went for the free man. Are you going to trade minis with that thing? That $500 daily loss limit is killer, bro. Matt, just so you know, if you hit the daily loss limit on Take Profit Trader, you will lose the account. So pick the account that best suits your trading style so that you have enough room, you have enough margin for error. Definitely don't get the 25K. I like the 150K. Yeah, it moved. Yeah, JJ, it was fucking quick. It was quick. That's what she said. Speaking of quick, I'm just kidding. But yeah, speaking of quick, I gotta see if I can book a hotel room for a staycation for like a one day for my birthday. Las Vegas Strip. Hotels tonight isn't what it used to be. I can tell you that much. What day? 14th. Jamila. Oh man. Yeah, no problem, Matt. Anyway, guys, yeah, I feel myself like falling asleep. Join the Discord. If you need to get any Apex, take profit trader accounts, my fund the future, Bolonox, use the best coupon code in the world, ZERODAYJay. Let me drop the Discord in here one more time. Um, Let me just confirm that Bolonox 90% off is still a thing. So I'm not fucking spewing fake news. Let's see. 90% until the 13th. All right, through the 13th. So it's still good. Join the Discord if you can, if you want. Obviously, you don't have to. No one's putting a gun to your head. Just like you don't have to use my coupon code. No one's putting a gun to your head. Yeah, you did okay, JJ, right? You got some money. What up, Ezekiel? I don't know. I hope so. You're going to be requesting your first 50K payout of 2K. Nice, man. Good shit. Let's pound that confetti like roast beef, baby. For Ezekiel, popping his prop firm cherry, or maybe just with Apex. Popping his Apex cherry. Damn, JJ, you were down as much as 3K. Yeah, I believe it'll be open. I'll tell you one thing: on the first to the fifth window, people were getting approved within hours. So that's a good sign. Hopefully, it's the same thing this time through too. I would love to get approved within a day or two, or even a few hours, then wait fucking 12 days like I did the last time. But anyway, yeah, guys, I gotta run. Let me drop this Discord link in here. Join the dis join the Discord. It's where the DGen fam hangs out. The DCA gang. There's a separate ladies room for people like Florencia if you want to hang out with just the ladies and not be surrounded by all the testosterone in the main chat. There is a separate spot for you guys. Um, you know, every once in a while, I mean, I pop in there. I don't really hang out in there. I just pop in there to let people know I'm live. And then once in a while, I see shit that I wish I didn't see. Jamila knows what I'm talking about. But anyway, guys, I gotta run. uh, but yeah, it's super chill in the Discord. A lot of like you know how the vibes are in the chat right now, like when I'm streaming, it's very similar to that in the Discord. Every once in a while it gets a little crazy, but then it fucking, then it gets dealt with. But nice job, JJ. Way to recover from that shit. But anyway, guys, I gotta run. I gotta get some sleep. It's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for hanging out. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be on during Power Hour for New York, 3 p.m. I'll try to get on a little sooner, but I'll run until about 5 p.m. To end the week, and hopefully I'll be able to take some good trades during that. But you'll get to hang out with awesome people in the chat while you're watching me trade like a degenerate. Thank you so much once again, guys. It's been a pleasure. Have a great night.